Hello, very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very proud moment for us. Today I am exploring one of the oldest universities of the Russian Federation, established in 1944, almost 100 years old university. And in this particular university they are teaching general medicine course since 1991. I am in a university, the name is Penza State University. You can see this is the buildings of Penza State University, especially this is the part which you are able to see, which is in a red bricks color building. It is the hostel number 5 of Penza State University. And if you just see the street down of this, there they have the academic buildings, gyno departments, classrooms, and even hospitals also we can find in this particular zone. And if you see my right side of this particular, as you can see, it's a street of the Penza, and of that side this is a physio building. Actually here also they conduct the classes, group classes for the physio department and all. And very interesting part, we have a Indian mess also, Indian food facility, and this is the Indian mess section. So you can understand how convenient is this particular place for the Indian student. If someone comes and join this particular university, they have everything in a very nearby places. Like they have the university hostels, academic buildings, Indian food, hospitals, everything is in surrounded area. The main specialty when we talk about this university, that more than 20 batches is already passed out. Very good FMG passing ratio we have up from this university. From 2014, dedicatedly in this particular university they are providing the FMG coaching, that is foreign medical graduate examination coaching, which is very helpful for the Indian student. And friends, you will get surprised to know above 90% is the passing ratio they have for the Indian medical graduates. After completing the course, they are easily qualifying the FMG exam in India, and many of them is actually qualified the PG exam of the India also, and they are doing the PG practices also. So friends, if really you are looking for the one of the top option inside the Russian Federation, where entire environment is set just for the study, only study, you can join Penza State University. Contact me on below mentioned details. We'll help you to guide you the complete counseling related to that. You can contact with the director of this universities also, so that you can clarify more and more doubts with us. Hello friends, as today I am exploring Penza State University. I am in a place, this is the center part of the university. You can see here backside all the country flags are there. Those international students used to come in this university. It is one of the renowned university of this particular Russian Federation. Here you can see students are coming basically from 49 countries, and out of that Indian has a stake of almost 30%. Means approximately 700 to 800 Indian students are presently pursuing this university in a course of general medicine. So apart from that, they have students from the Arabs, they have students from the other, this you can see 49 countries. So it is one of the good place for the international studies. And here you can see here something mentioned 1941 to 1945. This is the mementos of the soldiers. Those has actually given their life during the Second World War. So their names is written and few pictures are there. And this side if you will see, this is the university's law buildings. It means they used to teach here law, arts and other faculty department over here. And if you move from with me, you come to know this is the main academic, or we can say oldest building of this Penza State University. Hello. Hi. So here in this academic buildings, you can come to know that all of the rectors, directors, university dean used to sit over here. So completely we can say official part. And if you move from here, bit change this side, They are constructing a park over here. It's a kind of walking place for the students, so that during the classes or after the classes they can sit here for the relaxation. Walk with me and I'll show the more parts of the university. See, when I was discussing with the university officials, according to them, in this university above 22,000 international students are studying. So 22,000 students is a very huge crowd. But yes, it is not only for the medicine course, for the different courses they have here, because they have all kind of courses: humanities, arts, science, engineering, medical, bio, graduation courses, allied medical courses, everything they have. So here international students crowd is very high. Apart from that, the specialty part, when we talk about this university, that in this university Indian student basically used to come for the general medicine courses only in English medium. Since 2014, they are providing everything in a complete English medium. So many batches is already passed out. So many graduates they have from this. So the name in the Indian market of this university is on very top level. Come, this is the main academic buildings of the universities. Administration building. We'll go inside also and we'll have a meeting with the university officials over there. This is the walking zone from the main streets. From the main streets, people can come to this university. So this particular academic, Penza State University, you can see. This is the main building of this particular academic buildings. Okay, now we'll move the other direction. Here you can see the completely green campus. Today weather condition is very good. Just saw this particular park. You can see full green campus. The student can sit here, relax here. A kind of good environment which basically used to find into an international university. And this is the whole road map of the university, where which buildings are written. But yes, you can see everything they have mentioned into the Russian as well in the Braille also. So those handicapped people used to come here. For them also it's very easy by seeing the Braille marks also to read and to proceed further. In this walking street of this Penza State University, I can see over here, this is the main time of the classes. So students are coming from one departments to other departments, going for their study courses and all. Here we have something called a fountain zone. That also I would like to show you. That is a good place for sitting, for enjoying, just for that, like during the leisure time, they can come and do the discussions. So it's an international fountain zone, which they have given the name. So that also looks very good. This is the biocamp. This side you can see here. This is one of the good building over here related to the university academic parts only. Very good, the systems. And here you see the same what we are talking about. So here all kind of like fountain zone and all is here. Come, we'll walk into this particular side. This is a world map which they have made over here. Looks very good, neat and clean. Very good facilities. We can see here some places they have made for. Wow. Overall, it's a very good view of the university from this particular place. You can see all 360 degree if you round. You can see here. So very good. Everything is in very organized way. So friends, if you are looking for a good option inside Russia for the study, Penza State University is one of the good choice for you. You can contact me on below mentioned details for the more information, for the course details, and for all such information which you required to get the admission into this university. Thank you, and stay connected with me for the further more informative video on the same series. Thank you.